Hi, this is Rachel with Keystone Custom Homes, and we're so excited to show you some of the first completed villas here at Devon Creek in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. This is our Maplewood farmhouse, and it's a stunning floor plan. This has 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. Something that's really unique about this plan in particular is it has a first floor owner suite, so it has really spacious living here. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's head inside. Here in the foyer of the Maplewood, we will start to your right, which is the study. It's a great space here at the front of the home, whether you use it for a study, a living room, a playroom, lots of natural light coming in, making this a really great space. Next, we have an entry closet as well as the powder room here towards the front of the home. And then we continue into this main living area. So first we have the dining area. It's a great corner where you can dress it up, dress it down. You could add trim, add a lot of warmth and depth to the space, and it's convenient to this kitchen. I am definitely partial to our green sage cabinets, so I love the options that this customer chose, as well as our oversized stainless steel farmhouse sink. It's a great kitchen, really functional. You have a good pantry space here as well, and it opens right up into the family room. This family room has a lot of depth, which allows for many different furniture configurations, whether a large sectional or smaller couches. This room can definitely accommodate that. Then off of the kitchen, we have our outdoor living area, so you can add a porch or a deck. It's a great space here. This home does have a 2-car rear load garage. The laundry room is located on the same floor as the owner suite, which allows for ease of use, really good functionality there that you're not carrying laundry up and down the steps. So let's go ahead and check out the owner suite. That is towards the front of the home here. So again, providing that first floor living or single story living, if that's something that you're interested in. We have this beautiful bedroom here, and then we have a beautiful ensuite bath. They've done some really fun tile on the floors as well as the shower walls. Opted for navy cabinets in here, which is such a fun feature with that tile on the floor. And then we also have a good size walk-in closet here as well. So you're not really sacrificing anything having this living space and your bedroom here on the main level. Next, we are going to head upstairs to check out the 2 additional bedrooms and the loft. Here on the 2nd floor, we are starting in this loft area, which offers a lot of options for you to use this space exactly how it suits your needs. So it's not huge or oversized, but could certainly do a desk here. You could fit some chairs. It could be video game, homework station, so many ways that you could use this space. Then we have 2 bedrooms up here on the 2nd floor. Both of them have a walk-in closet, and they both have all of that natural light coming in from the front of the home. So it's a really, really beautiful space. On the way to the other bedroom, you will see the hall bath here, full bath, great functionality, super usable. And then there's a double door storage closet in the hallway as well. So really great and functional additional bedrooms here in the Maplewood. If you're interested in learning more about the Maplewood or any of our villa plans, please use the link in the description or let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks so much.